Hello, my name is Maya Petrova. I am a psychiatrist and a medical consultant of Neurosoft Company, Russia. And today we will work with the TMS machine and with the EMG amplifier connected together and well synchronized. We used this equipment to check a new feature of the NeuroMS.net program, which allow us the automatically detection of the motor threshold. Why do we need to get exact value of the motor threshold? It is individual and it is used by the program to select the right intensity of stimulus in the treatment protocol. Today we will use the treatment protocol of major depression disorder treatment approved by FDA. So we can start. Firstly, we need to check up that our patient doesn't have any contraindication to the TMS application. So I ask you to fill in this medical form. Okay, I'll see. Then if there is no any contraindication, we can go. So next step, we need to put the electrodes on the right hand of our patient. So we use special disposable self-adhesive electrodes. The active electrode we put on the belly of the muscle. Please contract this way, okay? And the most prominent point of the muscle is the best point to put our active electrode. Relax. And the second point is the tendon of the muscle above the bone. So I put the electrodes and I get a special cable. Black one is for active and red is for reference. They are connected together to the first channel of the EMG amplifier. And I need the ground electrode. I use a special conductive spray. You may use simple water. And connect it to EMG amplifier. Okay. Before the TMS appliance, I ask the patient to insert earplugs, and for myself. We need to use earplugs to prevent auditory loss during the TMS application. Okay, next we run NeuroMS.net program. Choose the new treatment creation button. Insert the patient's data. Okay. Choose the protocol of our treatment. We choose a treatment of depression. The protocol is approved by FDA. Okay, confirm. Now we can check the impedance. It is quite good. And so we hear that the TMS machine is ready for working. Before the TMS appliance, we need to use special air plugs to prevent the auditory loss during the treatment, okay, for the patient and for myself. I need to check up that the intensity of a start stimul is low enough to prevent the pain on the start of the appliance. And now I will go to the coil. I need to know the right point to start my findings. So I measure the interauricularis interval, and I find a midpoint. Okay. And shift 5 centimeters lateral for the left side. This is the start point of stimulation. So I use the screw flexible arm, position my coil, and I need to check up that coil is in contact with the head of our patient, and I deliver the stimulus. Watch the EMG picture. There is no motor response. And next I will find another point where I can observe this response using the grid line pattern, and I move the coil about 2 centimeters around this point. So we start the stimulation. No response. Using a grid line pattern, we try to find a proper point where they can observe the motor response. There is no any response on this intensity. So I increase 40% and repeat. No. Okay, this is the response, and now we try to find a hot spot. So this is a hot spot. We fix the coil using the screw and start the automatical detection. Press this button. The TMS machine give stimulus with the various intensity and try to find 5 out of 10 visible on the EMG picture motor response. So the motor threshold is detected at 42%. Okay. And next we can start our treatment protocol. We move to a repetitive mode. This is our motor threshold, 42%. We need to change the position of the coil from the hot spot 5 centimeters anterior. Fix the coil and press the start button.